Me went too far. There. Do it again. There. And this. No, what is it? Like this? Yeah. Oh man, I'm goofing. I might have to end up solving something because I forgot how to do this. That ain't right. Something I'm doing wrong here. Oh well, I'll solve it again. No problem. It goes over here. Speed register to modify. See, that's right. See, that's right. And that's not right. Let's see something. That's right. No. This is what slows me up sometimes. Gotta find two done vertically or diagonally. That's part of the simple solution to the Rubik Cube by James D. North. There's the audio solution and there's the mastering the cube. I found ways to cut my solving time like James D. North says. Okay. This goes this way. And it goes this way. This part I came across myself playing around with it to get that corner like that. Okay, let's go over here. You just upload it or figure it out. And I found a better way to do it in the middle. Okay. I applied the same concept with Rubik's Revenge. They call it the Rubik's Master, but in my day, in the 80s, it was called Rubik's Revenge. Erno Rubik created some neat sensations. Okay. Well, I made a wrong turn, as usual. I'm sitting there not focusing. See, it's done. Now let's try this again. I had it like this. Okay, in this position, and now I have to do it like this. There. Then this version, Greg Wilson one. The other one was Mind Blown Illusion. Alright, this one is Greg Wilson's mix. With my added extra mix. Okay, and then you can see it. Greg Wilson has a neat mix. And then I go like this. Ta-da! Whoops. I know what I'm doing, I just made a wrong turn. I do the Greg Wilson mix with no problem. And then out of the blue I make a typo. Oh, I see. I overshot. There. Alright, let's try this again. I know what I'm doing. I do the Great Wilson mix with no problem, and all of a sudden, I'm not going to mess up this time. See, it's mixed. You can see it's mixed. Try this again. See, I know I can do it when I want to. When I'm focusing, rather. It's like Pastor Asher's message. Focus. Focus on God's message. Anyway. Jesus Christ, Lord, Savior, God, all capitals, means the true God. All lowercase means the false gods. Alright. Be a Kira. Gearsaw was pretty neat. Kitty Vac Speak Cuber got a good mix. Stephen Brundage mixes are good too. And this is Stephen Brundage mix too. And this one too. As long as I don't overshoot it. Hope I did it right. Yeah, I did it right. That's another kind of mix. And then, see what about you, so you play around, you come across your own mix. That's the mix I came across with Jesus' help. And then I do it again. And then do the Stephen Brundage instant solve. And I do the same thing with show it all mix and go, and then show it and go, and it's solved. I did that to Mr. Taylor, retired youth worker, Jerker Clown and Fun. He said, "You got another one behind your back?" I said, "Nope, only one cube." See, I can even do it right here. Show it all mix. And go. If someone say I say pick a color, okay. This is Stephen Brundage color change, but I say pick a color. They say white. Okay, white. Okay, I'll mix your color up. The color is all mixed up. Mix it again. And then show it all mixed. Okay, now all we have to do is watch your color slowly come into view, and then show the whole cube solved. What I like to do the 446 mix, Kev G and Colin Cause with the Decepticon, and have 3 people pick a color, and when on the third you can show the whole cube done. That's the new way with the Decepticon, with the Colin Cause and Kev G with the 446 mix. The thing is, I ordered it, but the thing is, it hasn't come in the mail yet. It's supposed to go to Bob Schofield, and Bob Schofield will get it to me. I guess it takes a while to get into America, I guess. But others have received it with no problem. Hopefully there's no problem, because I'd hate to waste a lot of money ordering it. That's my Christmas money.